Hello students. Now ICSE semester 1 environmental science examination is over. Now let us discuss the question number 1, method of reducing vehicular air pollution, and the answer is use of catalytic converter. Because catalytic converter is a simple device which converts the harmful pollutants produced from the vehicular emission into less harmful gases. Question number 2, we could achieve the low projection of population, and the answer is if we give high priority to women centered education. Question number 3, integrated pest management reduces the application of, and the answer is pesticides. Question number 4, the global food system is spectacularly bad at tackling, and the answer is hunger. Question number 5, alternative to timber in making paper is, and the answer is bagasse. Bagasse is the dry pulpy residue left after the extraction of juice from sugarcane. Question number 6, India's staple food grains are, and the answer is wheat and rice. A staple food is a food that makes up the dominant part of a population's diet, and staple foods are eaten regularly, even daily. Question number 7, non-timber forest products are, and the answer is nuts, seeds, berries. As you know that non-timber forest products are defined as biological resources extracted from forests other than timber or timber for human use, and the examples are fruits, nuts, vegetable, fish, medicinal plants, forest, honey, resins, nuts, seeds, berries. Question number 8, this is a characteristic of organic fertilizers, and the answer is that organic fertilizers, they release their nutrients over a long period of time. Organic fertilizers are naturally available mineral sources that contain moderate amount of plant essential nutrients. Question number 9, planning of an urban environment must include, and the answer is proper drainage and disposal waste system. An urban area is the region surrounding a city, and urban areas are very developed, meaning that there is a density of human structures such as houses, commercial buildings, roads, bridges and railways. Urban area can refer to towns, cities and suburbs. Question number 10, which of the following is an advantage of zoning strategy, and the answer is zoning strategy can conserve environmentally sensitive areas. Option D. Zoning is a form of urban planning in which a municipality or other level of a government divides land into areas called zones. Question number 11, Swachh Bharat program was initiated by, and the answer is Narendra Modi. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched in 2nd October 2014. Question number 12, the disadvantages of recycled timber, and the answer is stigma attached with using used or cheap wood. Recycled timbers are the wood that are reused, and these pieces of timber are usually taken from old wooden structure like old houses, old abandoned warehouses and factories, and stigma is a mark of disgrace associated with a particular circumstances, quality. So the disadvantage of recycled timber is the stigma, that is the disgrace attached with using that we are using old wood or the cheap wood. Question number 13, kerosene as a desirable cooking fuel is, and the answer is it can be bought in smaller quantity. Question number 14, the equipment that removes particles more than 50 micrometers in diameter, and the answer is cyclone separator. Next question, Van Mahotsav means it is a tree planting festival, and it is a week-long festival in the month of July. Question number 16, which is the country with the highest population in the world, and the answer is China, followed by India. India stood second as far as population is concerned. Question number 17, trees can help soil conservation on land by, and the answer is holding soil together and reducing soil erosion. Next question, human activity that causes soil erosion is, and the answer is overuse of land for growing crops. Question number 19, social forestry dash, and you have to fill the correct option. Afforestation is the correct option. Social forestry is afforestation of all lands other than cropland. Afforestation is the establishment of a forest in an area where there was no previous tree cover. Question number 20. An example of particulate pollutant is, answer is soot. Soot is a mass of impure carbon particles resulting from the incomplete combustion of hydrocarbons. A particulate pollutant is a microscopic liquid or microscopic solid particles present in the form of the suspension in the air. Question 21. Vegetative method of soil conservation is, and the answer is crop rotation. Question 22. Factor responsible for decrease in population in developing countries are, and the answer is education. Question number 23. The aim of integrated plant nutrient management is, answer is to ensure productive and sustainable agriculture. Question number 24. An alternative to fuel wood is, answer is solar cooker. Question 25. The rapid increase in the city population results in the growth of, and the answer is slums. Slum is a highly populated urban residential area consisting of densely packed housing units of weak build quality. Question 26. Secondary cities are, answer is they are located or situated on the outskirts of main cities. Outskirts means the outer part of town or cities. Question number 27. 4-stroke engines are used in, so basically 4-stroke engines mostly used in car. Next question is, deforestation generally decreases, answer is rainfall. Question number 29. Terracing is an effective method of soil conservation in hills. Question number 30. Among the following, which is the major cause of crop failure in India? Definitely the answer is monsoon failure. 31. Question number 31. Change in fuel technique involves the use of less polluting fuel to reduce air pollution, and this statement is true. 32. Education to women opens up opportunities to work and achieve their goals. Definitely the answer is true. Question number 33. Migration can lead to congestion and pollution in rural areas. So this answer is false, because we are here, this migration doesn't lead to the congestion and pollution in rural areas, rather urban areas. So the statement is false. Question number 34. Cover crops are particularly helpful in retaining moisture in the soil, and the statement is true. A cover crop is a plant that is used primarily to slow erosion, improve soil health, enhance water availability, smoother weeds, help control pests and diseases, increase biodiversity, and bring a host of other benefits to the field. Question number 35. To strengthen rural-urban linkage, consolidation of farm to market roadways is very important, and this statement is true. Question number 36. The main objective of integrated rural development program is to improve the economic conditions of the rural people, and again the answer is, this statement is true. Question number 37. Plant genetic resources are a crucial component of global food security, and this answer is also true. Question 38. Traffic management measures are aimed to improve traffic by increasing the cost of leaded and free leaded petrol, but this answer is, this statement is false. Number 39. Most of the urban and rural poor have no access to safe drinking water and health care services. This statement is true. Question number 40. Baranaja is a practice to grow a single crop on a single plot of land, and this answer is false. Baranaja is a mixed crop farming practice from Uttarakhand based on traditional wisdom. Millets and pulses are the main crops cultivated through this system. Based on this answer key, calculate your score and write down in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe Amazing Bunny for more videos. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.